Hey everyone, this is Isaac. Welcome back to another CapCut tutorial. In this video, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about speeding up clips and using speed curves. Let's get started. Here we have a clip of a car driving by. If I want to speed it up, on the top right we have a speed section. Select the speed, and here we have three categories of speed effects: the standard one, the curves, and velocity effects. First is the standard one, where you can adjust the speed or the duration. To speed the clip up, I just grab the bar and move it to the right to speed it up, or move it to the left to slow it down. And if you have a specific amount of time that you want your clip to last, here in the duration section, you can type that amount in and it will slow or speed up the clip so the clip can last exactly how long you put it to last. As you can see, I tapped in 10 seconds and it lasts exactly 10 seconds. Here I imported a song. And if I put the speed to 1.5x, as you can hear, it only got faster. But if I select change audio pitch, it's also going to relatively pitch up the music or whatever else is playing in the video. When you slow down the video, you also have the option to select smooth slow-mo, because as you can see, slow-mo sometimes looks very rough. So if I select smooth slow-mo, we let it process, and then CapCut's AI is going to smooth the video out. And you have two types of smooth slow-mo: frame bleeding or optical flow. Frame bleeding generates faster, but optical flow is better quality. And this is how optical flow looks like. The next category you have is curve. Here you can change the speed using a curve. You can either select a custom one or choose between the 6 presets, which are montage, hero, bullet, jump cut, flash in, or flash out. If the curve is going up, you're speeding up, but if the curve is going down, the video is slowing down. You can change any of the presets by pressing and holding on these black arrows. And if you want to create a new arrow, select where you want to put it and press the plus icon. If you want to reset the preset, click on the reset button. And for the curves, you also have the smooth slow-mo button. You can also make your custom presets right here. The next one we have is velocity effects. This only works if there is music on your timeline. So here I have some music and let's sync it. Let's select the flash one, let it process, and this is how it looks when it's done. You can change the beat frequency, speed, and the intensity of the effect. And you can choose between 5 different effects. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.